Virtual learners, this is an important message for you guys. The district has changed the way we're going to track your attendance. Starting Monday, this coming Monday, November the 9th, there will be a new daily attendance link. If you notice, it's a discussion. It says daily attendance. It will be the very first thing in your course. Whether you're in Geometry, Algebra 1, or Algebra 2, it will be the very first thing in your course. It is a daily attendance link that looks like a discussion. It's got the two bubbles. You will click on that discussion, and each day you must type in a P or the word present. Okay, you have to do it every single day. This is how we will track your attendance. Once again, it will be a daily attendance discussion. It will be the very first thing in your course. You must type a P or the word present into this discussion every single day so that we can track your attendance.